Hello and welcome to this magical forest. Find a comfortable position and let yourself relax. Imagine the forest in your mind. Close your eyes and let your mind experience the relaxing power of the incredible natural scenery. Imagine that you are in a forest after the rain. Close your eyes and take a deep breath and feel the after rain smell. It smells clean, but there are a lot more scents beside that. Damp earth, bruised grass, wet leaves. Everything has its special scent. Each breath is like water, fresh and cleansing, flowing freely into your lungs. Take a look at millions of shiny water drops on the tree's branches and imagine that you are shaking those branches covered with cool raindrops. The droplets accumulate into larger drops and fall from the lush greenery to your face. Feel blissful coolness of the forest and the deep connection with nature by every cell of your body. Imagine yourself in a lush emerald forest with massive trees, carpets of moss, ferns, and other plants. Bright sun rays shine through the trees and light your path. You will hear the lovely birds singing, sounds of your footsteps, and a distant roar of thunder. Wander among the giant mossy trees and experience an unforgettable feeling of harmony and peace. Imagine yourself walking along a path through an astonishing forest. Feel how soft is the path under your feet. Unwind with peaceful sounds and explore the stormy forest river. The peaceful sounds of water draw you to the riverbank like magnets. Its powerful flows will wash away your worries and give you inner peace. The wet soil smells of rain, fallen leaves, and moss, a very strong scent. Continue to walk and feel how your body relaxes. Let your mind clear with every new step. Moss hangs from every limb, and it is impossible to tell where parts of trees finish and other plants begin. Continue to explore this delightful forest full of natural wonders and surprises. The fallen tree trunks covered with thick moss witness to the great power of this ancient forest. Stop for a second. Look around. Enjoy the atmosphere of tranquility and freedom. Isn't this a fairy tale? Imagine that you're on the shore of a spectacular lake, all alone. Listen to the peaceful water sounds and let your imagination soar over this mystic forest lake. You will see the endless reservoir of water, wonderful golden trees along the banks, and an old forest's reflection in the calm waters of the lake. Take in the gorgeous landscapes on the quiet shores of this magnificent lake and unwind. Listen to the voice of nature, full of birds chirping and sounds of water, and dive into swirling mists over this vast lake. The soothing sound of its splashing waves will brighten your day and give you so much welcomed relief. Take a look at the shores, covered with hundreds of autumn leaves dancing in the wind. In autumn, the usual color of the greenery changes into amazing reddish gold, giving the landscapes a breathtaking character. Admire the breathtaking views of the lake surface, covered with floating fog, and let all your worries disappear in this foggy forest. Enjoy this peaceful sound therapy that is perfect for sleep and relaxation. This crystal lake, casting beautiful reflections of the surroundings, gives an impression of total immersion into a mesmerizing aquatic environment. Take another deep breath in and let it out. Fill your lungs with the fresh mountain air and feel a deep relaxation. One moment, and you find yourself in the snow-capped mountains. These amazing mountains. Their bizarre silhouettes excite the minds of poets throughout thousands of years, inspiring them to create fabulous works. The mountain slopes are a powerful energy source, a foundation for trees and shrubs, grass and ferns. Enjoy the mirror-like surface of a mountain lake and let the deep sense of serenity envelop you. Admire the fascinating expanse of a blue mountain lake that lays before you. Rays of lights dance delicately across the water and make the mountains look even more beautiful. Dive into the beauty of the mighty Alps, whose white and shining pyramids tower above all, as if belonging to another world. Find solitude here in the mountains, where everything brings peace, relaxation, and inspiration. Imagine yourself standing on the summit as a silent observer of the snowy mountains, azure lakes, and pristine nature covering the mountain slopes. The only thing greater than a range of granite peaks is the endless blue sky, garnished with gentle white fleece clouds, as vast as any eye could see. Now stop for a second and listen. Listen to the noise of crystal clear river. Take in the scenery of the calm river current washing the stones of different sizes and shapes. Listen to the relaxing sounds of water and admire the beauty of underwater life. Slow down and enjoy the views of rich rocky bottom and lively fish in the water, with scales like the most delicate of armor plating. The fish dance with each other, choosing the slower waters of the shallows. Imagine that you stand there, feet in the water, and feel the movements of lively fish on the river bottom near your legs. Try to imagine yourself a fish, to immerse yourself in the cold waters of the mountain river and experience life from an entirely new perspective. Now you can explore the stunning stream, fast flowing amid the forest greenery. Tall trees on the banks create a lush canopy over the stream. The sunlight tries to filter through leaves, thus creating a perfect stained glass of greenery. The stream is talking to you. It is always talking to people, but not everybody can understand the sense of nature music. Look at the lush greenery, moss-covered banks, and listen to a sacred composition of an ancient forest stream. It has something to tell you. The forest stream flows on with confidence, taking the form of the winding forest paths, and billions of drops raise everything in their watercourse. The stormy stream cascades over a series of stones, creating the effect of many small, white waterfalls. Let this refreshing forest flow wash away all your worries, and let its sounds help you feel at one with nature. Continue your walk. Now you begin ascending the mountain. You confidently stroll along the rocky path. Small, beautiful spruces grow at the sides of your path. The light breeze gently touches the treetops and creates a beautiful melody with dancing branches. Around you is an immense array of greenery. Immerse yourself in the natural variety of colors. Some leaves on the trees are of delicate light green. Some leaves are gold, the color of the sun. You continue to walk along the wild trail and find yourself in the forest full of thick green moss. Tall trees grow on either side of the path. Go slowly, cross wooden bridges, listen to the joyful birds chirping, and enjoy the fresh pine scent. Look at all the variety of trees around you. Enjoy rich combinations of colors. Walk slowly, exploring the amazing lace created by brown roots underfoot. Concentrate on the forest beauty and your feelings. Immerse into forest atmosphere and enjoy sunny rays trying to penetrate through the lush canopy. Smell the forest around you. The air is fresh and filled with the scent of trees, wet soil, and forest streams. Witness how the forest river transforms into a rapid waterfall. You can see the astonishing glint of the cascading river from the wild forest path. The waterfall looks like an incredible white stream cascading over the stone wall. Feel the power and tranquility of this stormy water roar. You will be enchanted by the magnificent waterfall and magical moss-covered rock wall around the waterfall. The view of the soothing waterfall cascading down the stone wall and birds chirping in the background create a perfectly relaxing atmosphere. The sounds of water and wind combine here to help you calm down. Take in the breathtaking mighty cliff standing in front of you and feel the fresh breath of water flow cascading from carved rocky outcrops. Listen to the calm sounds of water crashing on the stones and marvel at the gorgeous rock art of nature. Enjoy the feelings, nature's sounds, and smells of the surrounding forest. Listen to the stream flowing. Feel the water droplets from this waterfall on your cheeks. Feel the touch of the sun and coolness of the old-growth forest. Breathe in the fantastic forest fragrance filled with wildflowers and fresh pine smell. Listen to the birds singing. Enjoy the falling stream in front of you, majestic trees, mysterious cliffs, and moss-covered stones around. Feel yourself in unity with nature around you. Your virtual walk slowly comes to an end. This walking tour lifted your spirits, filled you with new energy, and now all your body feels restored. If you are tired from worries and your body needs relaxation, remember that you can return to this forest visualization in your imagination whenever you like. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes and return to real life, feeling refreshed. Bring this magic of nature to your home and feel free from daily fatigue. Start a new page in your life in harmony with nature.